Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a beautiful and organized photo gallery in Notion step by step. Whether you want to showcase your favorite photos, organize journal covers, or simply make your workspace more visual and engaging, this tutorial will help you build a gallery that looks clean and professional. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is create a gallery view in Notion. You can easily do this by typing /gallery on a page or by selecting the gallery option when creating a new database. Once created, Notion displays your content in a grid layout where each entry appears as a card. This layout acts as the foundation of your gallery and gives you a visually appealing way to organize your content. Gallery views are useful for many different purposes. Some people use them to organize journal covers, while others use them for photography portfolios, design inspiration, travel memories, or creative projects. Instead of scrolling through plain lists, the gallery format allows you to browse your content visually and more efficiently. Once your gallery is ready, head over to the Settings panel to customize how the cards appear. One of the most important options is the Cover view. Enabling Cover View allows each card to display an image prominently on the front, making your gallery look more like a professional portfolio or photo collection. If you prefer a cleaner and more minimal look, you can hide the card titles. This transforms your gallery into a simple visual wall, where the images become the main focus. The good thing is you can always turn the titles back on whenever you need them. Next, experiment with the card size settings. Notion offers small, medium, and large card layouts. Larger cards are perfect for displaying detailed images, while smaller cards work well if you want to fit more content on the screen at once. Choosing the right size depends on the style and layout you prefer. Another helpful feature is the Fit Image option. This setting ensures your images display neatly inside each card, without looking stretched or awkwardly cropped. Small adjustments like this can make your gallery look much more polished and professional. You can also add page icons to give each card more personality. Many users choose emojis or custom symbols to make their galleries more creative and visually distinctive. To keep everything organized, consider adding tags, categories, or checkboxes. Tags can help sort photos by location, theme, or mood, while checkboxes are useful for tracking tasks, such as edited or unfinished images. These features become especially valuable as your gallery grows larger over time. Notion also allows you to group cards by different properties, such as date or category. For example, you can group travel photos by destination or organize journal entries by month. This makes your gallery easier to navigate and keeps everything well structured. Finally, don't forget to use search and filter tools. These features help you quickly find specific content without wasting time scrolling through your entire gallery. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this video helped you learn how to create a stunning photo gallery in Notion. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who love productivity and organization tools. Feel free to leave a comment below with your ideas or questions, and I'll see you in the next video.